Watch. At the world, it's not a plan. Watch what I go on, man. A franchise, the chosen one. The 10-star general. I don't know what I come to represent. I don't know a full effect thing. You know what go already? When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. I'm the people's champion. Oh, you mean? A Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch this. I'm the most electrified man on YouTube entertainment business. What? First and foremost, you know. But we make sure I tell you this, you know. Vybz Kartel say Gaza nation are the only motivation him need. Right now we don't have a lie about it because we know the pen mightier than the sword. And pen and paper and a lie. Worse the choosing one. We don't know a lollipop thing me deal with. So here what I go on right about now. Me hear some local man a grumble this and some local man a grumble that. And people a chat this and people a chat that. First we got big up Gaza nation for the support at Vybz Kartel album because here we go on. It may be not sell the amount what we expect as fans. But here we go on. You see Vybz Kartel album and Buju Banton album, you don't have no dancehall and reggae album who sell more than that in the first week. So I have to still give thanks because some people don't go give thanks to where them want, you know, and where them need, you know. Them just give thanks to where them have, you know, where they right in front of them, you know. You see what I deal with? Them want to give thanks to something where them can't have a say. You see what I deal with? We don't know 10-star I deal with lollipop thing, a real thing I deal with. I don't know gimmicks business about ya. You see what I deal with? Watch. So we still have to give the people them who support the album respect. You see what I deal with? Because you're not a dancehall album who for the first week sale we sell more than them two albums there. So no gimmicks business. You see what I deal with? So but here we go on now. What we can do as Gaza supporter encourage the people them for continue support the album. You see what I deal with? Continue support the album, people, and continue stream it. And a lollipop thing. You see what I deal with? That's why I say it's a good look for Vybz Kartel record and it's a good look for Short Bass record because here we go on. You never have no dancehall album will drop who do that not the first week. You see what I deal with? You have to remember say Buju Banton album a Rock Nation them a push it. You see what I deal and it sell far from Vybz Kartel who have a two local record label merged together, two independent record label merged together, which is Short Bass Music and Vybz Kartel. You see what I deal with? So can't no gimmicks thing in it. It's a good look for Shorty and it's a good look for Kartel and it's a good look for Gaza Nation. All we have to do is come together and strong up the thing and straighten it up. You see what I deal with? In any means necessary. We're not too in another dung talk or in a gimmicks business. But right about now, it's like Vybz Kartel go post up. Vybz Kartel post up Jamil. And I hear some local man there chat off their mouth and I run their mouth. You want me tell you something, man? Vybz Kartel no want a cloth from Jamil. Jamil hat. Where Jamil have a go and film right now. And some highlight Vybz Kartel I give Jamil. Because I know it says a youth. The youth there. Him idol. You see what I deal with? And right now it look like Chronicler bust off a little piece of his career and I slow him down. So the man I give him some highlight. You see what I deal with? And now Vybz Kartel did come out and I bash him. And I say from Chronicler bust him head him can't see him. Only that ball and say how wicked him is. Him love this young artist. Him love this, him love that. And when the man do the right thing, on still the one side I run up on a look beak. I want me to on a lollipop people. You know clownies or what? What am I to know? You know part of the animated team? You know what Disney World patient? Or you know some top nerd? Come on man. And cut on the fucker out. You see what I deal with? World boss a true-born trendsetter and no gimmicks thing no dead about it. So no boy can't get no gimmicks off of Vybz Kartel post in Jamil. Him not have nothing at all to go and film. The biggest highlight that him ever go and film from the year start of Vybz Kartel posting. What kind of other highlight him have? Jamil no drop album and all now him not even sell 7 as can to 80. As can to 80 boss, the man say him not even sell 7. Not even 7 copy himself. So if Vybz Kartel a big him up at the biggest highlight that film for the year. You see what I deal with? So no congratulate my brethren and don't hate. Don't do that something there. I want me to know man. No go like say some form of gimmicks thing boy and I take Gaza thing for some form of gimmicks thing. You think a lollipop thing boy yeah? Eh? You know on yourself you know. Cause the way someone on a freak you know all a bend down and a blow on yourself. You know the general, the 10-star one, I know each and every time when I represent you know what type of impact and effect I cause, you know. A loud explosion on my drop necessary equipment, you know. When I feel like I laugh with it, you know already. When enemy violate them, get them head chopped off with it. So we have to big up the world boss and big up Sharp Bots Music, big up Gaza Nation if you support the thing. The thing I know where we don't like it. But we still have to give thanks. You see what I deal with? No cup, no broke, no coffee, no dash way. You see what I deal with? And then no gimmicks thing. Small person, thanks will receive. Stop going like on a clown. I want me to know. But these are the things that happen for sure. And they say, yo, the people them ongo love listen dancehall music. Them no really support dancehall music. And over the years them are do it. And this is a new trend we have to set and work more to make the people them know say, yo, it's not about a talk about things, it's supposed to support dancehall music. Because here we go on. You know so when the rapper them drop them song, you know so drop them album, you know so the thing take off. The people them not on go chat about that. The people them go buy it all left the album and fuck with you. Or be a crazy people buy it and it have crazy sale upon it. You see what I deal with? And that's why them music they look like them bigger and dancehall and reggae music. Because them people there have the support of the people them. We just want to listen to the music because we grew up and listen to the music free. But one time, you know, back in the 80s I never saw it used to go in my brethren. You know, just listen music like that, you know. Because all if you go in at the bar and you want to play music, you know, you have to take out your money, you know, and put in the jukebox to punch music for music come up, you know. You see what I deal with? Them time that the great Michigan and Smiley run things, you know, man. You see what I deal with? Every day people talk about Michi, watch it. What happened to I-Man Smiley? Don't you know I-Man big in the army? Sugar Daddy, a big bad song, them song there, you have to go put your money in it. And I think called Me and My Girl was fighting. It happened to be a misunderstanding. I accidentally thump her in she face and she face black and blue. She run go to the police station and she go tell the police the truth. Bumbuckler, you have to put your money in a jukebox for punch them big bad song there. For listen to that. And I know gimmicks thing. You see what I deal with? But two things and time change and all them shit there. And after all the 90s run off with the dynamic artists them and the dynamic song them, you know what I mean? Boy just start hearing music free on the radio station and free all about. So you feel like say you're not supposed to support the man them music. Yo, no, true fans of dancehall if you don't support the man them music. You see what I deal with? And this now go for just one set of people, like a Gaza people. This is not talk about dancehall fans of all. Because as I said to you, no album in a Jamaica, no dancehall, no reggae album. Now the first sale with Buju Banton and Vybz Kartel album up. So that's supposed to show and say nobody now support the dancehall and reggae music. You see what I deal with that overseas people do that, you know. So everything where you see dancehall and reggae music have a overseas people put the spotlight or highlight on them shit there. You know what I mean? At the general, the 10-star one, and once again, I say big up on yourself, Gaza Nation, and continue empower one another to support the album. You see what I deal with? At the general, the 10-star one, and I represent a certain type of way. What? 10-star.